In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new project in QuickBooks. In QuickBooks 2026, we'll start by making sure the projects feature is turned on in QuickBooks Online. Then we'll set up a brand new project together so you can track work, costs, and profitability in one place. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and head to the main dashboard. To enable projects, look to the upper right and click the gear icon. Under the Your Company column, choose Account and Settings. In the Settings window, select the Advanced tab. Scroll until you find the Projects section. Turn the Projects toggle on to activate the feature. When prompted, click Save to confirm your change. This ensures you'll see the project's workspace throughout QuickBooks and can group related transactions and time under a single job. Once saved, return to the home page. From the top menu, open the Projects area. This is your central hub for everything related to jobs, estimates, invoices, expenses, time entries, and reports, organized by project. On the right-hand side of the projects page, click New Project to start a new one. Begin by entering a clear, descriptive project name. A consistent naming convention can help with reporting later. For example, including the client name, location, or phase. Next, select the customer from the drop-down. Linking a project to its customer ensures that all invoices and costs roll up correctly, and that your profitability by project is accurate. If your organization bills by project, this connection is especially important. Add an email if you want QuickBooks to pre-fill it on estimates and invoices associated with this project. Use a general project contact or distribution address to keep communications organized. Optionally, set the project's start and end dates and choose a status such as In Progress. Dates help you plan workload and filter reports by timeframe, while the status gives your team an at-a-glance understanding of where the work stands. When everything looks good, click Save. QuickBooks will create the project and open its overview. From here, you can begin adding estimates, converting them to invoices, recording bills and expenses, and tracking time, all tied directly to the project, so you can monitor costs versus revenue in real time. That's it. You've enabled projects, navigated to the project's workspace, created a new project, linked it to a customer, added contact details, set dates and status, and saved your setup. Follow these same steps each time you start a new job to keep your work organized and your reporting consistent.